I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan Chrome QR codes. First, open your Google Chrome browser on either your desktop computer or mobile device. It's a good idea to ensure your Chrome browser is updated to a recent version for the best experience. Once open, locate the address bar at the very top of your browser window. This is where you will begin the process of generating or scanning a QR code for seamless sharing. Now, let's generate a QR code. Go to the web page you want to share within your Chrome browser. Look for the share icon, which usually looks like a square with an upward pointing arrow, often found in the address bar or browser menu. Click on this icon, and then select the Create QR Code option from the drop-down menu. Chrome will then instantly generate a unique QR code for that specific page. To scan the generated Chrome QR code, you'll need a second device, such as a smartphone or tablet, equipped with a QR code scanner app or its built-in camera. Open the scanner on your second device and carefully position its camera over the QR code displayed on your first device's screen. Ensure you have good lighting and a steady hand to allow the scanner to quickly and accurately read the code. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, your second device will typically display a notification containing the link to the shared web page. Simply tap on this notification, and the web page will open directly in your device's default browser. This method provides a quick and efficient way to transfer web links between devices without manually typing out long URLs, saving you valuable time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.